Hello guys, thank you for tuning into this episode, and in this video I am going to focus on how to import information from one sheet into the other. Let's say that you have two different sheets, right? And you want to find some way to, you don't want to copy and paste the information all the time. What you can do to import information from one cell, from one worksheet into the other, as you can see right now, I have two worksheets opened up. The first one and the second one, right? Now, the goal is to get this information over here without copying and pasting. Now, this formula is very simple, and because the two worksheets are open at the same time, I can do this very easy. Look at this. I want to line it up, and then the other one is going to be lined up. I'm going to, if you want to organize your worksheet so that the two of them can be seen at the same time, minimize your Microsoft Excel application and fix it up. All right, so I want this information over here to be right over here. The first thing I'm going to do is press equal sign and then click on the cell over here, and then I'm going to press enter, and there you go. The information over here is now right over here. And look at, and watch this right now. Let's say that I want to change the data, right? I want to change the data. I can do it simple by this. So as you can see, if I update over here, it changes over here as well. And that's the power of importing information from one worksheet into the other, right? All right, let's say that one worksheet is closed. Save it. Wait a minute there. All right, save it. I'm going to save it first. And I changed it back. And I change it. Right, I'm going to change it over here. I'm going to change it over here. Yep. Good. I changed back the information. And I click back on my worksheet. You see that? It has changed as well. It has changed as well. So it's very, very powerful, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you again next time.